In this video, we'll be discussing the BLACK+DECKER 4.5 cu a foot front load washer, a full-size washing machine designed for convenience and performance. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this washer in the description below for the best price. This washing machine from BLACK+DECKER stands out with its large 4.5 cubic feet capacity, which easily handles bulky items like comforters, towels, and large laundry loads. Whether you live with family or just prefer to do fewer loads per week, the spacious drum makes laundry day much simpler. The front load design not only looks modern but also helps conserve water and detergent, making it a smart choice for eco-conscious households. What's really impressive is the versatility it offers with 12 different wash cycles, covering everything from heavy-duty loads to delicate fabrics. There are options for bulky items, towels, and everyday wear, so you can tailor each wash to your needs. The washer also gives you 5 spin speed settings and 5 temperature levels, from cold to extra hot, ensuring your clothes are washed exactly how you like. For added convenience, the delay start function lets you plan your laundry ahead up to 24 hours so it runs when it suits your schedule best. From a performance perspective, the ENERGY STAR certification guarantees efficiency without compromising cleaning power. It runs at up to 1,300 revolutions per minute, meaning clothes come out cleaner and drier, cutting down on drying time. The built-in auto unbalance detection keeps your laundry safe by adjusting during cycles to prevent shaking or excessive noise. The LED touch control panel is intuitive and user-friendly, making operation simple even for beginners. Now, every appliance has its pros and cons. On the plus side, this washer is energy efficient, quiet, and powerful, with great flexibility in washing cycles and temperature control. The modern look fits well in most laundry rooms, and the stainless steel drum ensures durability. On the downside, its weight over 200 pounds makes it quite heavy to move around, and installation might require 2 people. Also, being a front-load model, it needs regular cleaning to prevent odor buildup in the door gasket, which is common in machines of this type. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER BFLW45M is an excellent choice if you want a durable, efficient, and high-capacity front-load washer that delivers both performance and convenience for your home.